Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is reveal day here at Flat Gap Farm. We are going to reveal our potato box and what's inside. The leaves have all died off. It's been really hot here lately in the foothills of North Carolina. So once the leaves stop growing, it's time to harvest them and see what we've got. So you may remember the video a few months ago where we started this potato box. There was a saying out there that you could yield over 100 pounds of potatoes in a 4x4 section. We did a 2x4 box because we just used pickets, fence pickets. But today is reveal day. So let's go up and check and see if this is success or if it's failure. So let's go. All right, so let's take a look about 2 to 3 months back when we originally built this potato box. Just give you a brief explanation of how we built it, why we built it, and then we'll get to the reveal. If you're like me, you're looking for the simplest way to grow potatoes. I know some of you have seen this. I was scrolling through Pinterest and saw it, and I've seen a couple of other people on YouTube build a potato box. We're going to use that same method where we layer the potatoes. Same exact soil we use to fill up our bucket garden. We appreciate you guys for tuning in today.
3 weeks later.
Add the second layer to the potato box. What you're going to notice is the leaves have extended over to where the next level for the potato box is. The next level ready. And once it grows up above where the next level will be, we put more dirt.
Many months later.
Well guys, it is a hot, humid day, and you can already see it's a pretty big fail. We only got up to 2 levels. The leaves started dying off. It has been a very hot and dry last few weeks. But regardless of that, we're gonna unveil how many potatoes we got, even though we didn't get to what all the pictures and everybody else says the level that we would get to. But let's go ahead and see what potatoes we're going to harvest this year. Don't laugh at us if it's completely bare. At least we tried, right? All right, here we go. Plan 2. We can save this and use it for next year too. Woo-hoo. All right. Oh, look at this. Whoa. That's a big one. It's like Christmas. Oh, look, we got some more. Maybe this wasn't a fail after all. Jeez. All right, we got a few little ones. Oh, man. There's a slug. I can give that to the chickens. Little grub. All right, that's not bad. We'll clean it up and it'll be good. That one's still got a root ball on it. Not bad. Whoa, that's a big one. Whoa, look at that. That looks like one you buy in the grocery store. Oh my goodness. I just keep surprising myself. Look at that. That's pretty good ones right here. Got some smaller ones back here. But that's okay. I am just super surprised at how well this worked, considering how pathetic it looked. Look at these, man. These are bigger than anything we've ever gotten, which says a lot about our gardening skills. But we're learning and growing. Look at them. Jeez. I'm super excited. Man, I mean, look at that sucker. That's a nice red one. Whew. Holy cow. The good thing is we can reuse this soil, put it in our compost. Got some small ones over here. A little scavenger hunt. It's kind of fun. Oh, here's a little one. That's good. Oh my goodness. Starting to get into a bunch of little ones. That's okay. Oh, there we go. That's a good size one. Oh, another one. Wow. That's a big one. Got a bunch of little ones. This one was probably still had a little time left in it, but when the leaves die, it's time to dig, I guess. Oh, that's a good corner right over here. Woo! Man, we're almost full with this bucket. I am so surprised. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Ooh, and the ground is nice and cold over here. That's nice. Whoa, look at that sucker. What is that? I don't know, he looks like he would hurt somebody. All right, making sure I've got every little potato crevice. Won't want to leave nobody behind. No potato left behind. NPLB. Oh. Wow, there you go. All right, guys, I am totally blown away. This is a full bucket of potatoes. And I was a doubter, especially when everything started wilting away during our heat wave. But man, I know if we would have been higher, it probably would have yielded more potatoes. Right now, not 100 pounds of potatoes. There's a little photo says, but gosh, I'm a believer. We just planted the little red potatoes. My wife loves these. So I just want to weigh it and see how much it is. So we're just bringing it inside. We're going to be using our scale that we use to weigh our meat bird feed. And you can see I teared it out so that it doesn't take into account the bucket. But let's see how much these potatoes weigh. Oh, 11, almost 12 pounds of potatoes from 2 levels. That's not bad at all. Take that potato box, slide it over to the side, reuse this, all this dirt compost we've used, put it on our compost pile over there from all of our chicken brooders. But man, I can't wait to get this bucket of potatoes inside and show my wife. She's gonna be surprised. She loves these type of potatoes. but I'm a believer, and we are definitely going to do this again next year. Hey.
Hey.
I got a surprise.
Wow.
Look at all your potatoes.
Oh my goodness. Those are good size too.
They are big. They were not this big last year.
No, they weren't.
All right, thank you guys for watching today as we revealed all of our potatoes. Appreciate you tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.